but I don't see more questions. And then I would like to thank all the speakers. I would like to, maybe Peter, you want to do any last remark from your side?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Fernando. Thank you, first of all, for moderating this session and let's say keeping watch on the time so perfectly. Everyone is, by the way, now slowly longing for the lunch, I guess. Some people left, but still we have 44 participants, which is rather unprecedented. So thanks to you, Fernando. But of course, special thanks to all the presenters, the speakers. I've been in this topics in this business for quite a while, but still I've learned so much new insight today again. And also some special word of thank to Sonia because she was the one bringing all the speakers together, which has not been easy. Everyone is very busy, of course. So Sonia, thank you very much. Yeah, this is a series. This is an online session in a series of workshops, as I said in my introduction, and there will follow more workshops. So everyone is kindly invited, cordially invited to participate in next workshops. Dates have still to be set and the focus as well. So please keep watch on the websites of Alice and Electromobility Europe. And maybe it's even the case that we have the emails that you will get information and invited for next sessions. And yeah, I sincerely hope that we can continue this good cooperation that we have with Alice and all the other mentioned organizations organizing these online workshops, and that we can even strengthen this cooperation in this hopefully upcoming e-Power Up initiative in this CSA. So to be continued. And yeah, I'm concluding with the words, enjoy your lunch. Thank you all for your attention, for your participation. Hope to see you soon and to continue our good cooperation and exchange of information and of course also inspiration, which is as important as the information. Thank you so much. Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye. Thank